What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a case accessory from Spigen for the Pixel 4 XL. Now this is their tough armor case. Now this case here will run you about $13.99 with Prime shipping on Amazon. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these Spigen cases up for your Pixel 4 XL. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pop out the case and see what this case is all about. Boom. So this tough armor case has this shock absorption gel here. This yellow stuff here is very nice and squishy, so when your phone falls, most of the impact is absorbed by this yellow stuff here, and you do have it all around the edges of the case. It does say is air cushion technology is what they're calling it. So let's take a quick look at the case itself. It's like a two-piece. You do have a hard shell on the outside and a soft TPU on the inside, and you do have a kickstand on this one. It is a plastic kickstand, kind of feels flimsy, so be careful with it. And it does have Spigen branding on the kickstand itself. But let's go ahead and place the phone inside the case. Bam. And feels very snug. Actually, it feels very snug. Does add some weight to your phone, but does keep it at a minimal bulk, so you don't have that much bulk, added bulk to the Pixel 4 XL. You do have some tough armor branding there. The buttons are all covered. The volume rocker is distinguished by a plus and minus, and is very nice and tactile. Very responsive, no issues with the volume rocker. And your power button is rigid, so you can kind of feel and know that you're pressing the power button, and also nice and tactile, very responsive. On the top, your cutout for your mic is nice and perfect and precise, as well as the cutouts for the speakers, mic, and charging port. On the back, you do have a substantial amount of raised lip protection for the camera module. Let's go see if we can focus on this. Bam, there we go. You see that perfect amount of lip protection all around the camera module, so no issues there when laying your phone on its back on a flat surface. And on the front, we do have the same amount of protection all around the screen. You do have that nice lip protection. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on right now. This is the Pleasant tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel 4 XL. It's about $8 for a 3-pack. It does come with the installation tray. Very good screen protector. I've had no issues with it, and it's played nice with several cases. Before we end the video, let's see if this case wirelessly charges through the case itself, and let's put it down below, and there you have it. It wirelessly charges through the case, so no issues with that whatsoever. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions and regarding the Spigen tough armor case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching again, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.